Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Netflix tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Netflix language. So if you want to change the language that is displayed on Netflix, or if the language has changed on Netflix and you want to change it back to English, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. Before we get started, it's important to note that it's only possible to change the language on Netflix using a web browser. So either a web browser like Chrome on your computer, or a browser on your iPhone or Android phone. You cannot change the language on Netflix using an app, but when you change the language, it'll be reflected across all platforms that show Netflix. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to netflix.com in your browser, either on your phone or on a desktop computer, and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen of Netflix here, we need to open the menu by going up to the top right, where our profile image is at, selecting it, and then going down and selecting Account. Once the account page opens up, what we want to do is scroll to the bottom where you see Profiles and Parental Controls. From here, we need to select the profile where we want to change the language on. I'll do GG here, so I'll select the little arrow to the right of it. Then I can scroll down, and as you can see, we have a menu for language. All I need to do is go to Change right here, select my desired language from the available list. Keep in mind, you can also scroll down to have other languages offered to you for movies and shows as well. So that's pretty cool if you have any desired languages there. Once you select your language, scroll to the bottom and select Save. Then when you go back to the Netflix account page, you'll see language saved. If you need to change the language on other profiles, just follow the same steps and you can do that. All right, so that's how you change language on Netflix. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Netflix tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.